In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TikTok videos using Sora 2. Let's dive right in and explore this creative process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to Sora.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. After logging in, you'll find a space where you can enter a short, catchy prompt. Think of this prompt as the backbone of your video. Whether it's a mini story or a brief product advertisement, make sure it's engaging and attention grabbing. This is what sets the tone for what your audience will experience, so don't be afraid to get creative. Next, it's crucial to adjust the settings to optimize your video for TikTok. You'll want to select the portrait format, which is 9:16. TikTok is all about that vertical experience, and this orientation will naturally fit the TikTok platform, ensuring your video looks just right on viewer screens. At this point, you also have the choice to upload an image or a style reference. While this is optional, it can add a unique personal flair to your video, aligning it more closely with your vision or the aesthetic you're aiming for. With your prompt entered and your settings adjusted, you're ready for the exciting part. You'll see a clear option to generate your video. Go ahead and click that. Now here's where the magic happens. Sora 2 takes the elements you've provided and works to bring your video to life. This rendering process might take a little while, so it's a great opportunity to take a quick break or start brainstorming your next creative idea. Once the rendering is complete, your video will be available for review. Take a moment to watch it through and pay close attention to how the visuals and the prompt come together. Does it capture the essence and style you were aiming for? If yes, fantastic. You're ready to upload it to TikTok and share it with the world. If not, don't worry, Sora 2 makes it easy to make adjustments and try again until it's just right. In conclusion, making TikTok videos with Sora 2 is intuitive and offers a fun way to unleash your creativity, right from drafting a compelling prompt to rendering a beautifully formatted video. With practice, you'll be crafting engaging content that resonates with your audience in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!